The Quran talks about Salah. In English, people normally translate Salah as prayer. Prayer, if you open the dictionary, means to beseech, to ask for help. According to me, prayer is not the appropriate translation of the Arabic word Salah. What we do dua after the Salah, that is prayer. The Salah is far superior to praying. In the Salah, besides asking for help, we are getting guided by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The Arabic word Salah comes from the root word Salah, means connection. The servant connects with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Salah means connecting to God. I call it the programming towards righteousness. When we pray, we read Surah Fatiha. After that, Imam is telling us. He's giving us guidance. Don't lie. Don't cheat. 5 times a day, we are being programmed towards righteousness.